Hey friends, so I decided that I was going to take you guys with me today to the farmers market in Knoxville, Tennessee. We're going to go downtown Knoxville, check out the farmers market, and I thought I would take you guys with me. I'm going to take my hiking backpack in here with me, so when I buy stuff, I don't have to carry a bag. And because I'm going to be healthy, we're going to do all the flights of steps all the way down. Let's get this done. And also, when we come back up, I'm going to take steps. Of restaurants here in this way. It's really nice. And here is beautiful shaded area. We also have clothing stores here as well. And we also have this water feature here for kids and pets.
Venmo, there's no fee. If you use a card, there's a 50-cent fee.
Oh my goodness. Are these hand crocheted? Look at this, how pretty this is a Cherokee purple. Very excited to eat this today. Got me some real carrots and a dozen of this sweet corn, and I cannot wait to eat this today. This is the way tomatoes are supposed to look. This is the way they're supposed to look. This is real tomatoes. Real tomatoes. And they're going to be so sweet. And the farmer said these right here, that you don't have to cook them. You just slice them and put them in a salad. He said they're so sweet and so tender. I'm going to do that here in just a second. Look how pretty this corn is. It is literally, oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Look at this corn. There's a worm. Hey friend, I'm going to cut you off. But look at this. If I had chickens, I would feed this little worm to the chickens. Real salad. Real salad. And the squash uncooked is actually very good. Very, very good.